Hello friends. We are going to be continuing with our videos that we happen to create about creating photo slides, and we happen to use some photos that I would want to upload to my platforms so that you can get them from there. So these are photos from Pixel. Okay, so if I get them like this, then I create first of all I have to create a folder, then say photo slide creation. Okay, that is a feather and slide and radial shadow. Okay, so that is the name I'm going to be calling it. So after creating that, I get this and drag and drop them inside that folder. Then I also get these different images that I happen to use that are basically my images. So we have them and also paste them inside. Okay, so basically these are the different images we happen to use. Okay, so maybe what else I could do is I would go back this side and get this. I right click on this folder, rename, then copy. Then after copying it, what I would do is copying the name, I would select all of these ones and right click. Okay, then paste that name. Okay, maybe I put P and V, meaning photos and videos. So then after that, so they are renamed. Okay, for easy identification on your folders. So like after doing that, I would zip this. Okay, I would send. So I come here, I'm using Windows, I come here, then say send to zip. So this is zipped to avoid maybe carrying viruses, anything. Okay, so after having that, now I would want, now the next thing I would do is I go visit internet. Okay, sorry for showing you my interface. Then latest, my websites are latestugmusic.online. We have that one. So if I go there, so that is its display. So if I slope down, okay, so I can sign in as an admin and post that, or what I can do is I would want to log in. So I scroll all the way down and come here to signs this award. So I can come here, creator, I click on creator. So the first time it displayed an advert, a pop-up advert. So the moment I click on creator, this other interface shows up. So would I want to log in? Okay, so I'm already a seller, so I would want to log in. Okay, not like signing up. Okay, yeah, so I wouldn't want that. Maybe my account, so you can come here, so the speed would basically depend on the strength of your internet. Okay, so when I click on my account, I'm either going to be logging in with my email. Okay, so I'm going to be logging in, so I put my email, Ninja Isaac, Ninja Isaac 5 at email.com. So then after I change that. So that is an example email. So after that I change this and I put in my password. Let me see if I used this. Have I ever used this one to sign up? Okay, now since I've never used it, so let me sign up to create a new account. So I would begin with my name, okay? So I put Munye scripts because I don't want to enter there as an admin. Okay, lifestyle. So okay, if it has rejected putting that as something too long, let me put MS Munye scripts lifestyle MSLS. So I put Nyenje. So I put Nyenje Isaac 95 at gmail.com. So Nyenje Isaac, then I create my password. Then I sign up. So they are telling me the email is already registered. Okay, but why am I not able to sign in? So if I rub this and I like, maybe the password I'm trying to use. Yes, so I figured it out and I got the password that I had really to use. So after logging in, this is like how my dashboard would look like. Not the dashboard, my account. But I want to go to the dashboard and upload content, okay? So to upload my content, I would go to products, okay? Now I'm going to be adding a new product. To add a new product, I come here, then click add new product. So when I click on add new product, the next thing that I would do is I come here, get the name from the product, get the name of the product like that, put it there, then upload. I select some images from the product because no one is going to be able to download these images, okay? So we get here on downloads. So they are in downloads. That is where I had kept them. So I would choose maybe this one. So it is a little bit heavier, but we would go with that. Sorry. All, I had another picture. Maybe we shall include it somewhere. Can even put off this. So we go for this. Wow. Let us leave it to complete. Then we are going to be using another picture that I happen to save. So if it is taking huge minutes, you'll happen to skip that. Okay. Maybe let me pause it, and when let me cut it, and when like it completes, we shall be starting from there.